I'm drinking all in my head like a scene. It's a life worth living, it's a life worth being. I'm doing what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeling this demon. Gotta take it away, spit this in my face. Work a job every day, take your dreams, make a way. Like a card, never change, play the game, I'm safe. I need a break. Time stays strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. Time stays strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. I wanna be right. I wanna be right. I'm gonna be right. Give me some just like I'm so strong tonight. Never swing on my baseball like a CD right there. On there, labels like we don't care around. Don't sleep on that. I'm behind the scenes. Never sign it, get right back up. So keep up, gotta see my hands for a down. No after one. That's what make up how we're done. It's not so done. Like a one. Like the face of the early. I'm saying I'm open jam on it, but I'm trying to make it. Time stays strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time stays strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming. It's my first time. Goddamn, she's so fat. She got a belly and a short man. Not enough, she gets straight down. Short skirt into my socks. She did a shot for that crop top. She likes hip hop in my rap. She likes shaking from the side. I said I'm in it for weight, cause I wanted to get just give me time to in. Just give me time, I'm sweating up in the time that I'm ready to get her down. I'm in the check. Holding my thoughts, it's like this, I'm ready already. Got me attention, check. Just to the side of the tell my friends I'm getting the next party I'm getting. Time I'm going up. Just let me see, a couple more minutes see. My eyes beating so quickly, I feel like being risky. I'll cut across so tricky, and I'm way too dizzy. The shots just hit me, that's what she said, get in me. So I go up to the party too. I look around in the video. I see my girl sleeping on bro. That's when I know what I wanna do. My heart's fast, so I talk slow. People are saying me, I don't know. I just hope I get to the pro. Cause all I wanna do is keep a phone. Body like a spinner, I'm sitting on different catalyst, what's in a roll. I feel my blood one dinner. Straight to my liver, now I wanna pull the trigger roll. I wanna move a little quicker. Sleeping on the dinner. Feeling on the picture, till I'm in stand dinner. Think I'm so it doesn't know what I'm beginning, so I hope I can do it. Shots that I was seeing, a couple more little tipsy. My eyes beating so quickly, I think I like being risky. I'm cutting across so tricky, and I'm way too dizzy. I feel shots just hit me, that's what she said, get in me. one time. I got this, feel free of options. I want this, free back, clutch and wash it. I got it, it's not dropping on this. I want this, when I love this, it's time. I got this, feel free of options. I want this, free back, clutch and wash it. I got it, it's not dropping on this. I want this, when I love this, it's time. I love the girls, they fuck with my music. Getting more birds from the girls, love to lose it. She wanna get loose it, that's the life I'm choosing. I lose it, that's my 2 cents, we use it. You know I'm back, it's a matter of fact. I'm better than ever, never been better, I know that, I know that. Sipping on some coke and no check, cause they're a bitch, can take a pic. Go back, I'm breaking the game, it's money and fame, they don't affect my brain. It's fucking all the same. I'll take a turn up, these incidents with this debate. Take a piece, sick today, but when things to say, the big dick for fake. I think shit is like, I should pick today. I think I'm all fake, I think I'm off my brain, and honestly, I'm a motherfucking novelty. Oh! I said I got this, feel free of options. I want this, free back, clutch and wash it. I got this, and I'm dropping on this. I want this, when I love this, it's time. I got this, feel free of options. I want this, free back, clutch and wash it. I got this, and I'm dropping on this. I want this, when I love this, it's time.
Everything's so boring. Take it up in the morning. I'm so sick of the mundane and routine. I'm gonna break without warning.
I wanna take some back, I'm never seeing no retro. Once in a cut, one shot to the head of your place. Everything is a good one, never back down. I'm gonna beat down, make it off the face. Feel better and better. I want this life till I see my last friend. I wanna make it change. I got one life, so I'm gonna go. That's why you don't you forget.
I've got fun to regret it. Something naturally worth it. I wanna look in the mirror and like what I see. I'll see the feeling so worth it.
I'm gonna go, that's why you don't see. I get lost in the feeling. I'm going out by I'm making change and I can take the pain. I'm gonna go, that's why you don't see. I'm gonna find out, I can make it.
I see fire burning where I close my eyes. Everything is going out of place. I see flames from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning where I'm fine. No, 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 no. The future feels so unsure. We don't need each other more. The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel like you're right out? My anxiety's on me right out. We are not to take that right now. I see fire burning when I close my eyes. Everything is going out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. I fall into a trap, I make about myself, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm a feeling, I'm a stay, I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I feel like I'm so unready, my heart feels silly, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I'm always self-destructive, I think I did it, love it, but you don't give me a second. I broke up the reason, I fall into a trap, I make about myself, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm a feeling, I'm a stay, I've lost a million times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I feel like I'm so unready, my heart feels silly, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. Please help me see the things that I did. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now. Wish never really know. I'm not even ready to go out. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to stop. Last night got that sinking in my stomach.
See, sometimes we can't say, I can do that. But what we can say, let's do it. That I can have my dream. As we run toward it, as we work on it day in and day out.
Do you want right here? Feeling like it's out here. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair. Going over, I swear. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running my door. Going, going, go. Running my door. You're going,
Like living a dream and taking charge of your destiny, you've got to be an unreasonable person. You've got to be an uncommon person. So write down the reasons of why you're here. When the hard times come, and they're going to come. Your reasons will be your rod and staff to comfort you. To pick you up once
so
again.
what was it undone? And like one mom. See what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. Cause you got no love. Maybe it's a good one. No, 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 no. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running my door. Go on, go and go. Running my door.
You don't have time to step back. You got to go forward. You got to push harder. Excuses, get out of my way. That's what this is about. So you got to recognize when it gets tough, you better get tough. Easy does not count. Easy does not work. You can't cheat your way up. You got to push your way up. Not everyone is ready to be at the top. Not everyone is suitable to be at the top. If you're having a mental breakdown, then the body will believe everything that the mind is telling it to do. You got to understand, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. And if the mind ain't right, then the body won't be right. You have to understand that you have to have a connection. The connection of righteousness. The connection of faith. The connection of faithfulness in you, and your ability, and your strength, and your honor, and your integrity. Everything that you do in this moment counts in this place. You can't wait for someone else to push you through it. You got to push yourself. You were born, and you were born to live and fight. So on this day, and for the rest of your life, if you're working, work a little bit harder. You can't do easy. There is no no easy in success. There is no easy in pushing that weight. There is no easy in running an extra mile. If it's easy, why are you doing it? If it's easy, how are you growing? If it's easy, how are you going to be your best? Suffer now and get the rewards later. Don't ask for it. Take it. Enjoy it. Go get it. If you believe in the possibilities, then make it work for you. Now you got to also understand this. It ain't going to be easy. It's not going to be a walk in the park. There's always more to give. You got to be willing to sacrifice. You got to be willing to hurt. You got to be willing to hit. Whatever it takes, keep pushing forward. Don't you give up on your life. Don't you give up on those reps. Don't you give up on giving it what it takes to get the most of yourself. Some of you right now may be wondering, why is this guy yelling? I'm not yelling. I'm making noise. I'm making noise to scare away your excuses. I'm sounding up because maybe that weakness doesn't understand the power that you possess. I know for myself, if I have to shout it out, I'm going to shout it out. I'm not going to let things hold me down. I'm not going to let people tell me I don't count. I'm not going to let this place of business tell me I have no business. Yes, the voice, the power, the passion, the love, everything that I have inside, I give it to you. I give it to the listener. I give it to the weightlifter. I give it to the marathon runner. I give it to the swimmer. I give it to the sumo dancer. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from. When the time comes, you must recognize that you got to be better. You got to be tougher. You got to be stronger. Because nothing that did not create you cannot break you. Be the best of yourself. Be the strongest of the strongest. Don't let anything or anyone hold you back because you have it. It's all in you. Possess it. Love it. Live it. Give it all you got. And from the bottom of the heart, be productive. Stay strong in it. No excuses. And conduct your business. Listen up. Yes, I'm talking to you. If you can hear my voice, you've got work to do.
This is something you all need to understand. If you want to be the best in whatever you do, you gotta start acting different than everybody else.
You don't have to compare yourself to anyone because you have the ability to create the life you want.
You've been put in a position where you ultimately doubt yourself. You started to believe you don't belong here. You're not that good. You don't fit the criteria of what the rest of the world is looking for.
I didn't want to be like everybody else. I wanted to be the best at everything I did.
Do you realize how difficult it is to be different?
Winning requires discipline. Commit to making things happen.
You got a destiny to fulfill. You got a purpose to walk into. You got dots to connect.
I want to be remembered forever. And in order for that to happen, I realized I need to act like it.
So don't just talk about what you want to happen. Be an action taker and recognize that you don't have to be jealous of anyone.
We all want to do something. We all want to be somebody. We all want to go somewhere.
You can't be doing the same shit that everybody else is doing if you want to be the best.
You achieve your goals only when you are disciplined enough to keep showing up when you don't feel like it.
The best of everything comes with a price.
Success stories have a humble beginning.
In this very moment, all you have is all you need.
What would you like to do? What do you believe you can destined to do?
Sometimes you have to fall back into the dark room and focus on you.
You have a date with destiny. You have unfinished business. It's time for you to go back to the drawing board with a new perspective.
If you can see it, you have it.
I am clutch. I am the difference maker. I am the game changer. I must work out X amount of times a week. I must forgive. I must evolve. I must become. I must retain. I must grow. I must live. I must evolve. I must go to the next level. I must live in this type of house. I must drive this type of car. Perspective is what changes the game. Stop complaining about the divorce. Stop complaining about the job loss. Are you going to complain in the face of conflict, or are you going to seize the opportunity? What if losing your job was the opportunity? What if the divorce is an opportunity? What if the bankruptcy is an opportunity? What if the one you love was an opportunity for you to reconnect with somebody and forgive them?
Sometimes it's a snap back time, people.
I'm talking to that person who grew up without a father. I'm talking to that person that is going to remain. I'm talking to that person that knows what it's like to talk about nothing. And so you literally have nothing to lose. And the only thing that's in your head is a dream. The only thing that's in your head is I have what it takes to get to the top of that hill.
You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain.
There will be many times in your life. There will be depression. There will be anxiety. There will be oppression. There will be stress. There will be overwhelm. Will you buckle under the pressure or will you rise to the occasion? You are not dead yet. You may be tired, but you are not dead. You may be broken, but you are not dead. You may be weary, but you are not dead. You have an opportunity to rise above what happened to you. You gotta make up your mind that all you have is all you need.
I know. It hasn't been easy. It's time to win.
What are you waiting for? I want to remind you that you started this journey for a reason. No one's coming to save you. This is you versus you. Get out of bed. We got goals to achieve, and nobody's coming to hold your hand. Truth is, your excuses are bullshit. You just gotta step in your power. Nobody can make that change for you. It's gotta come from you. But it's time to grind. So keep pushing forward. You owe it to yourself to keep going. I'm gonna utilize every minute of every goddamn day to the fullest so I can achieve my goals and live up to my true potential. The only person who's here to help you is the person you see in that mirror. This is the hardest grind you're ever gonna have to do in your life. And it's a continuous thing. You are powerful. You are relentless. You are enough. You just gotta step in your power. Time. That seriously, got it. And it's because it's always fading. Do I have enough? Am I wasting it? Should I be working harder? Am I utilizing it properly? All of these questions are running through my mind on a continual basis because I feel like I'm running out of time. It's the only thing I can't get back. You see, money will come and go. I can get money back. I'm not worried about that. When it comes down to emotions, I'm going to deal with pain, I'm going to deal with happiness, I'm going to deal with anger, being anxious, depression, and more. But I'm always worried about time. It's because I know it is ever fading. It's one of the reasons why I embraced my motto, live full, die empty. I made an active choice to start spending and living every single day to the fullest. So when I die, I can die with no regrets. You see, I want to leave a legacy when I die. I want to be remembered forever. And playing it safe, acting like